AVGO stock analysis for 6th of June and onwards. So I'm going to break down my exact play for the end of week and then next week report. Now, Broadcom, I do see a very big correction from post-market kind of section here, which is fine. You know, that's why I have my demand area set up. But beforehand, I can tell you and show you the proof of this swing. When I look to take it out from 160 bucks to like 285 something, it's 250, and that's almost a double. It's not surely a double, but it was nice. You know, 2 months ago when this video was called out, 1st of April, people think I was lying, but it was not April Fool. I mean, it was for April Fools, but it did not lie. And with AVGO currently, I'm just looking to double down more. So surely post market's a little bit down, and only if I do see some sort of a shift in a double break, only then I'm gonna look to buy. Because randomly getting involved, mate, it's not gonna be happening. So we'll continue to keep you updated. I do have a lot of previous AVGO receipts here, I guess. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.